Have you ever gotten your brand declined and you are trying to contact the brand registry? Well, my brand got declined after I basically submitted a plan of action for my account being deactivated, saying I would only use this new brand. Then they wouldn't even let me register it after my account was reinstated. So currently I'm not selling any products on Amazon, and it's because this brand won't get accepted. I basically sent a brand appeal through this new method, which is in mid 2021 on Amazon, and basically now I have two cases open. They duplicated my case. Neither have gotten a reply. I just called Amazon Seller Central using the link. I'll link it below. It's also an amazing Amazon resource for you to call the Amazon account health support team on the phone instantly. But right now I want to talk about how you can call the brand registry team. They will give you a call back, and it's some secret Easter egg method that I've never known. This guy just told me, so let's get into it. You can do to actually contact the brand registry team. This is pretty insane. So you go up here to the top right and you hit that question mark. Then you scroll down to need more help, get support. You hit selling on Amazon. You bypass this by hitting or browse in the menu. You hit other issues, make a suggestion, fill out this brand registry. That's it. Brand registry. This is what this guy told me. Step 2, connect with an associate. You can make this your title, but this is under make a suggestion, but basically you can make this what your issue is, and then add your phone number and they will call you back. This is how to contact the brand registry. I have this case open that I created, basically waiting on a reply from the brand registry. So this is how you can contact the brand registry team, get a call back. This is the only method I have ever heard of to contact the brand registry team. Again, you basically are going into other issues, make a suggestion, type the only keyword brand registry. Pretty hard to figure out. Glad I figured this out. Thank you for watching the video. If this helped you out in any way, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.